Hey guys, I just want to show you a tool that makes it really easy to see if your hem is parallel to the floor or not. We have some cool tools in the classroom which you like stand from the floor and you can like turn around in a circle and it marks your hem so it's parallel to the floor. Chloe kind of has that tool, but it's way easier and faster. It's kind of hidden down at the bottom. It's a measurement tool. My computer's a little small. That was a purchase I made because I thought it'd be really cool to be able to like travel easy and put your laptop in your bag. But when using Chloe, it's not ideal. But that's okay. I can just go up to 3D garment and just like on the menu, it's at the very bottom. Sometimes it takes me a minute to find it, but I always find it. Measurement, and then it is the circumference measure tool. So it'll measure the whole circumference of your skirt. So there we go. And I'm not doing anything with the mouse other than moving it. I'm not pushing a button. But you know, you can set it wherever you want. And I think you just left click one time and it'll set it. I've never really right clicked. I'm going to try right clicking just to see what happens. Okay. So I guess we have some, I don't know, options I don't think really relate to this tool. So never mind. So I'll just stick with left clicking. Okay. So I left clicked it once. Now what I want to do, I want to make sure it's marked on my 2D pattern. I don't see it here. So what I'm going to have to do is get the edit tool to kind of get some more options. So again, because my screen's so small, I'm going to just hover over the 3D garment measuring, whatever, menu item, scroll down to measurement, and then I can choose the edit measure tool. But you guys with bigger screens can probably just find it on your left. And then I'm going to click it one time, it's blue, and then I can right click and have some choices. So I can trace it as an internal line, and then you can do all kinds of stuff when it's an internal line in your 2D pattern. You can cut it and sew it, but I think for me, I kind of just want to cut it and just get rid of it. So, okay, let's see. I was thinking about it. Cool. Okay. Okay. Great. So it's been cut. I can see the shape over on my 2D of what's been cut. So interesting. I can kind of scroll around and then it's still floating there. So to get rid of it, I just need to simulate and that'll bring in gravity and it'll fall to the ground because it's not sewn to anything. So I'm going to hit spacebar and that's a quick way to simulate. And there it goes. Bye. It's going slow today for some reason. This actually might be at high resolution. I just realized, I don't know. But anyways, it's going to fall to the ground. So I'm going to hit spacebar again to stop the simulation. And really what I should do is just select it and delete it because I don't need it. But I just wanted to show you that quick tool just to make sure that your hem is parallel to the floor. It's pretty easy. I love it. It's very helpful. And if anyone has questions, of course, reach out and let me know.